Now this one is a car that appeared in a very famous media episode of Fantasy One. It's a Ford Anglia. This one has the doors and the boot openable, and well, it says recyclable, although I'm not really sure about that. Not certain it's 100% true, but at least this time it's less plastic. I mean, at least it's very easy to open. This is actually very interesting, very good. You just push it and you open, and it actually has the rusty texture. It's not as smooth as the other ones. It's actually a bit more coarse, a bit like sand. Let's see. We opened the. It doesn't help that I've just cut my nails off. Okay, I actually had to use a clip here. Let's see. Okay, so you can see the steering wheel over there. Let's see the booth. Smoother. You can fit a sandwich in there. At least 2. Doesn't look very spacious to me, although I think this was just to fit it to scale. I think they use a different kind of paint. And all I can say is that a few details down here. It does have some, at least. It's not as blank as the other ones. I've closed the boot, not the doors. I'm saving the best bit for last. Actually, the toughest blister of them all.